Just another day in paradise. Well, this is what you get when you procrastinate. So, we're gonna be winterizing our hives. Wow, is it actually calming down for a minute? Thank goodness. So it's raining and it's cold. It's hovering around 50, maybe a little bit less. So I procrastinated, I waited, and now it is raining and it's gonna be really cold tomorrow. So I'm gonna start winterizing our hives right now. And hopefully I can finish before it gets dark. So I have 2 boards, 4x8 of 2-inch thick insulation. And I got a cut list here. So you'll see I went through and measured everything and figured out you know, how many pieces I need and what size. And then I basically I drew out a diagram of 2 sheets, and I did it actually in my graphic design software. It was just easier to do. Figured out where I needed to cut to make it the most efficient. So that way I'm only going to actually use like 1.5 boards. But you know, instead of just cutting all willy-nilly, I can do some efficient cuts to hopefully make this go quicker. And so because we're doing 2-inch thick foam insulation, I have 2 knives. I got my really sharp utility blade right here, and I have this one with a long blade so that I can do the initial cut really sharp and really straight, and then finish it up with the long blade to just get it done. All right, so I'm gonna go grab the boards out of the truck, and then I'm gonna go make some cuts. Let's get to work. All right, so here's what we got. Pepper and Peanut are outside, not enjoying the weather. So we got our board down. And so what we're gonna do, break out my sheet of paper again. So we got one cut that's gonna be 20 inches wide that goes basically all the way down, because we have 4 pieces that are 26.5 by 20. All right, so we are now back here in our bee yard, and we are ready to start putting them together. Yesterday we were out here, but it was a little bit too wet, and so we were worried that we would just be trapping in a whole bunch of moisture. So now it's much more dry today. The sun's going to be out. So next thing we're going to have to do is take these and puzzle piece them together. So let's get to work. So you can see,
sorry,
we have them totally wrapped up. It's 2-inch foam insulation, and yeah, the front parts sit right on top of the bottom board, so it doesn't cover the entrance. That way it provides some ventilation in there. We also pushed the top covers forward because they all have slotted inner covers, so there's a little slit at the front, so you push it forward. That way there's some more airflow, because you want there to be some airflow. You don't want moisture to get trapped at the top, because then that freezes, or it can, you don't want moisture to get on the bees and then them get real cold. Bad news. So that's pretty much it. Pretty straightforward. All right, thank you guys very much for watching this video. We really appreciate it. Give us a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and as always, please subscribe. Thanks for stopping by.
Bye.